SSC. Okay, practice set 1.2, page number 8. So this equation is given in your textbook. Okay, so whenever you watch the video, keep your textbook in front of you. This is your textbook. Okay, so first you have to understand the equation, how to solve the equation, then we'll do the graph. Okay, so this equation is given x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, equation is given, two variable x and y. So x is given in table, so you have to find out the value of y. So x we will put 3 plus y is equal to 3. Now y as it is, 3 as it is, from left side to right side, equal to sign, this is left side, this is right side. From number will go from left to right, plus will become minus. So y is equal to 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, so what is the value of y? Y is 0. So put the value y 0. If x is 3, then you will get the y value 0, 3 and 0. Now again write the equation x plus y is equal to 3. Here the y value is given. Okay, so x as it is, y value 5, 3 as it is, x is equal to as it is, 3 as it is, plus 5 will go from left to right, plus 5 will become minus y, x is equal to plus 3 minus y gives you minus 2. So when you put y value 5, you get x value minus 2. Okay, so here you have to write minus 2 and 5. Again write the equation x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, so here y value 3 is given, so x as it is, y 3, okay, is equal to 3. So x as it is, 3 as it is, plus 3 will go there, minus 3x is equal to 0. So 0 and 3 written in your textbook already. So here you have to find out the value of x and y. Okay, and draw this and write the equation. Again second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, so here y value is given, so x as it is, minus of a formula, minus y is equal to 0, 4 as it is, 0 will never minus or plus, therefore x is equal to 4. So what is the value of x? 4 and 0. Again write the equation x minus y is equal to 4. Here the value of x is given minus 1, minus y as it is, 4 as it is. Now minus 1 as it is, take plus 4 to the left hand side, from right to left, plus 4 will become minus 4, minus y will go to the right hand side, plus y. Therefore y is equal to what? Minus 1 minus, so first we'll solve this, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So y is equal to minus 5, therefore y is equal to minus 5. Okay, so what is the value of y? Minus 5. Here you have to write x and y value, minus 1 minus 5. In this third it is given both value x and y. So now we will start the graph. So actually what is the graph? In graph you have to linear equation in two variable. There are three method. One is simultaneous equation, second is graph, and third is Cramer's rule method. Okay, so in this method you have to find out the x and y value. So we'll do the sum, we'll do the graph now, to second first. Okay, now say for the graph, I have drawn the graph, first and second sum. So solve the simultaneous, these are the simultaneous equation 1 and 2. You have to solve it by graphical method. Okay, so in graphical method what you have to do, you have to draw the graph. Okay, so this is x axis, this is y axis. Draw the line on a graph. Okay, x axis, y axis. Center, take center, 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Okay, now left hand side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, so right hand side plus number, left hand side minus number for the y axis, and for the for the x axis. For the y axis, above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Above plus number, below minus number. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so this is your graph. In the board there is a limited scope, so I have drawn till 0.6. You can go up to 9 or 10, both side, left and right, above and below. So this is your equation, and you have to solve this box, and then we get these 4 points. After plotting these 4 points, we have to draw the line where the line intersect of this equation and this equation is our solution. Okay, so now see, this first equation will do x plus y is equal to 6. Here what you have to do, take one value on your own and try to take small value. Okay, and if possible take one value negative, so it can cross the quadrant. See, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant you will get positive value, in this first negative, then positive, this negative and positive. So at least take one value in minus, okay, if possible, in the equation. So I have written the equation x plus y. So one value I am taking on my own. For example, I am taking 1, y value 1. So write first y value 1, then solve it. X is equal to 6 as it is, 1 will go there, -1. Okay, so x is equal to 6 minus 1, 5. So I get what value? 5. X value 5. Now write this point 5 and 1. Now again x plus y is equal to 6. Again take one value of y, 2. So x 6 as it is, 2 will go there, minus plus 2 will go there, become -2, x is equal to 4. So when I have taken y value 2, I get x value 4. Okay, 4 and 2. So now x plus y is equal to 6. Now take y value 3. Okay, x is equal to 6 plus 3 will go there, -3. X is equal to 6 minus 3, 3. So when I have taken x value 3, I get when I take y value 3, I get x value 3. So 3 and 3. Again one negative value, but if I take -1, it will go there and become +1, and x value will be 7. So here I have drawn till 0.6. So what can I do now? So I can use 0. Okay, so now I am taking y value 0. If I will take -1, it will go there, +1, and 7 I cannot plot because there is a limited scope. You can do in your textbook, you all can take a -1 and draw this. So here I am taking y value 0. So when I am taking y value 0, I am writing here, then 0 will never plus or minus with any variable or numbers. So x is equal to 6. So I get the value x 6. So 6 and 0. At least take 0 if not negative. So now what I will do, I will plot this point and draw the line. See, first you have to take x, then you have to take y. So 5 and 1. From this point you can see x 5 and you can see 1. So plot this point and write 5 and 1. Next 4 and 2. X value 4 and y value 2. Okay, so your point will be 4 and 2. See, x value 4 and y value 2. 3 and 3. So x value 3 and y value 3. First you have to see x, then you have to see y. Okay, 3 and 3. Now 6 and 0. If y value is 0, directly plot the point on. If y value is 0, then directly plot the point on x axis, that is 6. So little bit 5 and 1 I am writing here and writing x here, and this is our point 6. So this is our point. Remember this. If y value 0, then x value 6, directly plot the point on the x axis of 0.6. Okay, if x is 0, then directly plot the point on y axis if the number of y is given. So 6 and 0, that means on x axis 6, Okay, here the point is here. Now we got this 4.1234. Now write the point 6 and 0. Okay, this point is 6 and 0. I can write here also 6 and 0. So now arrange all these 4 points and draw the line C. Properly arrange this 4 point. And then draw the line. Okay. So take an arrow also and write the equation. X plus y is equal to 6. You can write later on also. So now I will solve this first. So what I have done in this equation, when I have taken y value, so I will take y value only to just avoid the confusion. You can take x value also, but it will make confusion to you. So try, when you solve the sum, take, if you taking y value, then take y only, then if you taking x value, then take x only. Okay, just to avoid the confusion. Now x minus y is equal to 4. Now I am taking x value. Okay, so in this equation I have taken y value, in this equation I am taking x value. Okay, so if x or y also, so it is more convenient to take y. So now I am taking y. So y is 1 is equal to 4. So this sign is of equation and y value 1. So y value 1, x is what? Minus 1 will go there, plus 1, x is equal to 5. So I get x value 5. It is more convenient to take y. So now x minus y again is equal to 4. Now y value 2. So x is equal to 4, minus 2 will go there, plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. So when I am taking y value 2, I am getting x value 6. Okay. Write the point also, 5 and 1, 6 and 2. Now if I am taking, now again write the equation, x minus y is equal to 4. If I am taking 3, then it will go there and become plus 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So I cannot plot 7 over here. So I will take now negative value. This sign is of equation. Now y value minus 1. Okay. What? Minus 1. I am taking y value minus 1. So minus minus plus 1. So 4 as it is, plus 1 will go there, minus 1, x is equal to 3. So x is 3. Now 3 and minus 1. Again one negative value, minus y is, x minus y is equal to 4. This sign is of equation. Now taking the value y minus 2. Okay. So minus minus plus 2. Now x is equal to 4 as it is, plus 2 will go there and become minus 2, x is equal to 2. When I am taking y value minus 2, I am getting x value plus 2. Okay. So now you get these 4 points. What you have to do? You have to plot the point 5 and 1. See, the point is here only, 5 and 1. Next 6 and 2. X value 6 and y value 2. So our point is this, one point is 6 and 2. Okay. So x value 6 and y value 2. X value 5 and y value 1. Now x value 3 and y value minus 1. So this is our point 3 and minus 1. X value 2 and y value minus 2. So this point 2 and minus 2. So now I have get this 4 point, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I am arranging all the 4 points and drawing the line. Now, so this line and this line intersect at which point? This point. This is what? X value 5 and this is y value 1. So the point of intersection of the line is 5 and 1. So you will write point of intersection intersection is phi and 1. X value phi and y value 1. Therefore, our solution is phi and 1. So what is the, after solving the by graphical method, what we get the value of x and y? Phi and 1. So this is how we solve the graph. Okay. In simultaneous substitution method, we are making the one value same and then substituting it, so we get the other value. In this you have to do graphical method. In this graph you get the value x and y. So we have done this sum. Now come to this sum. Now in this we will take x value. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 5. You can take any one of the value x and y on your own. See which is very much convenient to you. Take according to that. So now I am taking x value. X value I am taking 1. I am taking a small number. It is easy to plot on the graph. If you take bigger number, for example 15, 16, so it is not easy for you all also to plot on your graph. Okay, so try to take small numbers. So x value 1, then what is the y value? 1 will go there. 5 minus 1, y is equal to 4. So I get y value 4. 1 and 4. Again x plus y is equal to 5. Now x value 2. So y is equal to 5. 2 will come here, minus 2. Y is equal to 3. When I have taken x value 2, I get y value 3. 2 and 3. Again write x plus y is equal to 5. Now if I will take x value 3, it will go there 3, x value 3, then y is equal to 5, 3 will go there and become minus 3, y is equal to 2. Okay, so 2, 3 and 2. Now one negative value I told you all number are in positive, so all number will remain in first quadrant. So to draw a line, for the convenience we will take one number negative so that it can cross the quadrants. So this first quadrant can cross the other quadrants. Okay, so now I am taking value x plus y is equal to 5. I am taking minus value of x will go there and become plus 1. X value minus 1. So y as it is, y is equal to minus 1 will come here, plus 1, y is equal to 6. When I have taken x value minus 1, y become 6. So minus 1 and 6. Again plot all this 4 point and draw the line. Okay, so first 1 and 4. So first you have to write the number also. So this is center 0, right side plus number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have a scope till 6, so I have drawn till 6. You can do it on your graph paper till 9 and 10. So left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Above plus number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Below minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Then plot this point 1 and 4. X value 1, y value 4. So this will be the point. So it is more convenient to write the point afterwards after drawing the line. So it will not the point will not intersect with the line. So I will write later on 2 and 3. So 2x value 2 and y value 3. So I will write the point later. 3 and 2. X value 3 and y value 2. Then x value minus 1 and y value 6. So this is the point. Minus 1 and 6. X value minus 1 and y value 6. So I get this 4 point. So after drawing the line I will write the point. So it will not intersect, point will not intersect with the line. So after drawing the line, Now I will draw this. Now I can write the number 1 and 4. So 1 and 4, 1, 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, 3 and 2. So minus 1 and 6, minus 1 and 6. Now we'll solve this one. X minus y is equal to 3. So x minus y is equal to 3. So we can arrange the equations also, and we can write the value. For example, we can arrange this y value. X is equal to, for example, 3. Y will go there and will become plus y. So it will be more easy. Okay. This y, arrange the equation with x or y, then just solve the value. So minus y will go there and become plus y. Before putting the value, I am arranging the equation. This is also one method. Minus y will go there and become plus y. X is equal to, just put the value of y and you will get the value of x. So I am putting the value y1. So I am putting the value y1. I have arranged with variable x. Minus y will go there and become plus y. Now x is equal to 3 plus y. Just put the value of y, you will get the value of x. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 and 1. Now again take this equation. X is equal to 3 plus y. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 2. So y2, what will be the value of x? 5. Okay. So 5. Now x is equal to 3 plus y. If I will take y value 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So 3, y value 3. So y value 3. What will be the x value? 6. X is equal to 6. Okay. So now x is equal to 6. Write the point 5 and 2, 6 and 3. Here x is equal to 3 plus y. Just put the value of y. Minus, take one value minus. So minus 2. So I am taking here minus 2. So what will be the x value? 3 plus minus minus 2. X is equal to 1. So you get the value x 1. Then 1 and minus 2. So what now take all these 4 points and draw the line. 4 and 1. X value 4, y value 1. So this is the point. 5 and 2. X value 5, y value 2. So see, from this point x value 5 and y value 2. 6 and 3. X value 6 and y value 3. 6 and 3. So write afterwards, after drawing the line. So 1 and minus 2. X value 1 and y value minus 2. Okay. So after drawing the line, arrange all these 4 points. Arrange all these 4 points. So x value 6 and y value 3. X value 5 and y value 2. X value 4, y value 1. X value 1, y value minus 2. So all these 4 points. And write the equation also on the line. So for this x plus y is equal to, so here I will write the equation x. For this line I am writing x plus y is equal to 5 for this line. Okay. And for this line x minus y is equal to 3. Okay. So write the equation on the line also. After drawing the line, here also we have not written the equation. So x plus y is equal to 6, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3. So this line x plus y is equal to 6. Write the equation also. After drawing the line, write the equation. And for this x minus y is equal to x minus y is equal to 4. So we have done this two sums. Now we'll do third and fourth. Point of intersection, write the point of intersection of the line. Point of intersection, point of intersection is, see, x, this line and this line intersect at 4 and 1. Okay, so 4 and 1. 4 and 1. So our solution, therefore, solution is 4 and 1. So where the line intersect, is our point of intersection, is our solution. So we get the x and y value. Now third and fourth sum. Now question number 3 and 4. So equation is given x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. So this is your graph paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3. And you have to draw this column. So we are drawing 4 columns and this is our equations. Okay. So now we'll solve the equation. See, x plus y is equal to 0. Take y value or x value. I am taking y value. Y value 1. So x value will be plus 1 will go there and become minus 1. So when I am taking y value 1, x value will be minus 1. X plus y is equal to 0. Now 2. So plus 2 will go there and become minus 2. So when I am taking y value 2, x value minus 2. So again x plus y is equal to 0. Again 3, y value 3. So plus 3 will go there and become minus 3. When I am taking y value 3, x value become minus 3. Again x plus y is equal to 0. Take one value negative. So y minus, take minus 4. Okay. So y value minus 4. Okay. Now solve it. Plus minus, minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus minus, minus. Now minus 4 will go there and become plus 4. When we are taking y value minus 4, x value plus 4. Write the points. Minus 1 and 1, minus 2 and 2, minus 3 and 3, 4 and minus 4. Okay, so these 4 points we will plot here and then we will draw the lines. So minus 1, 1, x value minus 1 plus y value plus 1, x value minus 2, y value plus 2. Okay, from this you can see minus 2 and plus 2. X value minus 3, y value plus 3. X value 4, y value minus 4. X value 4, y value minus 4. So I am now drawing a line. Plot this 4 point and then draw the lines. Okay. So arrange all 4 points in proper order. Okay. Now what is x value? Minus 2, y value plus 2. What is x value? Minus 3, y value plus 3. For this x value minus 1, y value plus 1. And for this x value plus x value plus 4, y value minus 4. X value plus 4, y value minus 4. Plus 4, minus 4. So I will write later the name of the equation after drawing other line. Okay. Now see this equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. In this equation y have variables having no numbers. So that means 1. So this x having 2. So we will solve this equation with y because it is easy to solve the equation, solve the sum. So 2x as it is, 9 will come here, minus 9, minus y will go there and become plus y. Therefore what? Y is equal to 2x minus 9. Now it is simple, just put the value of x and you will get the value of y. So now I am taking y, if I am taking y value 1, the x value 1, so I will get 2 ones are 2 and minus 9 minus 7. So I can't plot on the board, you can do in your graph because I have minus till minus 6, not minus 7. So I will take x value 2. So y is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 9, y is equal to minus 5. So when I am taking x value 2, I am getting y value minus 5, 2 and minus 5. Now again y is equal to 2x minus 9, y is equal to, take 3. So which value taking 3? X value 3. So now solve it. 2 3 is 6 minus 9, y is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. Now 3 minus 3. Now again y is equal to 2x minus 9. Here what is the value? Take one value negative. If you will take negative, then it will become what? It will become minus. If we will take minus 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 2 and minus 9 minus 11. Cannot plot on this graph. So I am taking, now which value I have taken? 3. So I will take 0 also. If I take, the minus 9 will come. You can take in your textbook, you can take x value 0, so you will get the y value minus 9. So now I am taking x value 4 minus 9. Y is equal to 2 4 is 8 minus 9. So y is equal to minus 9 and plus 8 minus 1. So when I am taking x value 4, my y value is minus 1, 4 and minus 1. So when I am taking x value 4, y value minus 1. So now again one more value, 2x minus 9, y is equal to 2 5 the 10. Take 5, x value 5, 2 into 5 minus 1, y is equal to 2 5 the 10 minus 9, y is equal to 10 minus 9, 1. So you get the y value 1, x value 5 then y value 1. So here we can see the quadrant already crossed because this positive value and this is negative and positive. So we can draw the line easily. 2 and minus 5, x value 2, y value minus 5. So this is our point, first point, x value 2, y value minus 5. X value 3, y value minus 3. So this is our point, 3 and minus 3. 4 and minus 1, x value 4, y value minus 1. So this is the point, x value 5 and y value 1. So this is our fourth point. Now take your ruler, arrange all these 4 points. Arrange all these 4 points. So draw the line drawn. So write the point also for this, x value 2 and minus 5. For this point x value 3 and y value minus 3, and for this point x value 4 and y value minus 1, and for this point x value 5 and y value 1. So now we have drawn this line. So write the equation also. For this line equation, x plus y is equal to, write inside if possible, extend this line and write inside, it is good, but we can write here also. So this line equation is x plus y is equal to 0, and this line equation is 2x minus y is equal to 9. Okay, so write the equation also on line after. So you have what we have understand, just plot the point, draw the line, and the point of intersection is 3 and minus 3. This line and this line intersect at this point. See, on x-axis 3 and y-axis minus 3. So point of intersection is 3 minus 3. First see the x value, then the y value. Therefore solution is 3 minus 3. Okay, so we have done this graph. Now come to this question number 4. In this also 3 variable x having number, y having no number. So variable x having number and y having no number. So we'll draw the equation with the help of y. It is easy. First draw the equation with variable y, then plot the then write the point and find the point. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, so 3x as it is, 2 will come here, minus 2, minus y will go there, plus y. So what is the value? Y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now just put the x value, you will get the y value. It is good. In this first and second sum, x and y, so no problem. In this also x and y, you can directly write the number and you will get the other value. For this, if you draw the equation with variable y, you will be convenient. You can understand which number I have to take. So another value will be in a range. So take a value in range. So here I will take 1, 3, 1, the 3 minus 2. I will get the y value less than 6. So 3 x value 1. So I am taking x value 1. So what will be the y value? 3, 1, the 3 minus 2. Y is equal to 1. So y also 1, 1 and 1. Again y is equal to 3x minus 2. So y is equal to, take 2. So 3 to the 6 minus 2, y is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. So when x value 2, y value 4. 2 and 4. Here write the equation y is equal to 3x minus 2. Y is equal to, take value 3. 3 3 the 9 minus 2, 7. So here I will take negative value minus 1. So 3 1 the 3 minus 3 and minus 2. So x value minus 1. So what will be the y value? 3 1 the 3 plus minus 3 minus 2. Y is equal to minus 5. So y is equal to minus 5 minus 1 minus 5. Then take one value 0. So y value, x value 0. So 3 zeros are 0 minus 2. 3 zeros are 0 minus 2. 0 having no value, 0 never plus or minus. So 3 zeros are 0. Y value minus 2. When you take x value 0, y value minus 2. So 0 and minus 2. So now plot the points and then draw the line. So x value 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 this point. 2 and 4. X value 2, y value 4 this point. And x value minus 1 and minus 5 this point. And x, if x 0, then put the point directly on y axis. Okay, y axis minus 2 is this. Okay, so if y 0, the point will come on x axis. If x 0, then the point will come on y axis. Okay, here x 0, so the point will come on y axis. I plot this 4 point, then draw the lines, arrange all these 4 points. See, 1 2 3 4. Properly arrange in your textbook the line and then draw the line. Okay, no double line in your when you do the sum. Try to avoid this. So this line, and now we'll do the equations. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now again 2x minus y is equal to 3. See, y having no numbers, so we'll draw the equation with y. So 3 will come here, minus 3, minus y will go there, plus y. Therefore y is equal to 2x minus 3. Now simple, just put the value of x, you will get the value of y. 2 1 the 2. So 2 1 the 2 minus 3, y is equal to minus 1. When x value 2, x value 1, x value 1, y value minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1. Now again write this equation. Y is equal to 2x minus 3, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, so 2 to the 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So when x value 2, you will get the y value 1, 2 and 1. Now here y is equal to 2x minus 3. So again you can take x value 3, 2 3 is the 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 3. So y is equal to 3. If you have taken x value 3, you have taken x value 3, y value also 3. So 3 and 3. Now take one negative value, minus 1, y is equal, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2 1 are 2, minus 3, y is equal to minus 5. So when x value minus 1, y value minus 5, minus 1 and minus 5. After solving this, just plot the point and draw the line. X value 1 and minus 1, x value 1, y value minus 1, this point. X value 2, y value plus 1, this point. X value 3, y value 3, this point. X value minus 1 and y value minus 5, this point. Okay, so now after arranging all these 4 points, I am drawing the line. Okay, so arranging these 4 points, so you can write the point afterward also after drawing the lines. So it will be just easy, that number will not intersect with the line and create a problem. If you write later on, it's good. So x value minus 1 minus 5. So what is the x value? X value minus 1 and y value minus 5. So our point of intersection is this point. Okay, so our point of intersection is this point. This line and this line intersect at minus 1 and minus 5. So write all the points. X value what? X value 2 and y value 4. This point. This point x value 1, y value 1. For this point x value 0 and y value minus 2. 0 and minus 2. Then 1 2 3 4, done. Then this point x value 3, y value also 3. This x value 2, y value 1. You can write afterward also this point after drawing the lines. So x value 1, y value minus 1, x value 1, y value minus 1, 1 2 3 and 4th point. So this is the point of intersection of these two lines. What? X value minus 1 and y value minus 5. So write here point of intersection is x value minus 1, y value minus 5. Therefore solution is minus 1 minus 5. So we have done this sum, third and fourth. Now fifth and sixth. So this exercise will finish. Now question number 5 and 6. So I have drawn the graph. So in this these are the two equations of question number 5. See this equation, both variables having a number means greater than 1. So we have to solve the equation with any one of the variables. So this is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Okay. So 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. So in this 4 is an even number, so it is more convenient to solve with even number, because this will go, if I make an equation with y variable y, so 4 will go into the denominators, so it is more easy. So you can make by x also, you can make by y also. Y is simple, 3x as it is, minus 7 will come here, plus 7, minus 4y will go there, plus 4y. Okay, so now 3x plus 7 as it is, 4 will go into the denominator. Okay, now y, therefore what, y is equal to 3x plus 7 upon 4. So if there the variable, both variable having a number, it is advised that first solve the equation with any one of the variable, and then write the point in the equations. So now I have solved with the variable y. So take x value and then you will get the y value. So I have to see which is more convenient. If I take 3x1, so 3 1s are 3 plus 7, 10. 10 divided by 4, you will get 2.5. That means that's with one decimal it is easy to plot the point, but with two decimal it is difficult to plot the point. So try to avoid the number in decimal, and if one decimal it's okay. Okay, now I am taking 1, x value 1 plus 7 upon 4, so I am putting the value 1. So what value I will get, let's see. Y is equal to 3 1s are 3 plus 7 upon 4. Y is equal to 3 plus 7, 10 upon 4 is equal to, divide 10 divided by 4, you will get 2.5. So 2.5. Now 1 and 2.5. 1 and 2.5. Now after next, y is equal to what? 3x plus 7 upon 4. When I take with the 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 7 11. So 6 plus 7 13. So 13 exactly, we will get at least 2 decimal. So we will not take 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 7 gives you 16. So we will take 3. X value 3 upon 4. 3 3s are 9 plus 7, 16 upon 4. Y is equal to 16 upon 4. Y is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 is 16. That means when I have taken x value 3, I get the y value 4. So 3 and 4. Now again y is equal to 3x plus 7. So upon 3x plus 7 upon 4. So y is equal to, take x value 0, if you take 7 upon 4, again it will come into decimal. So after taking 3, we can take 4 3 4 the 12 plus 7 gives you 19. Take 5 plus 7, 3 5 the 15 plus 7, that means 3 5 the 15 plus 7 upon 4, that means y is equal to 22 upon 4. That means y is equal to, because 22 can divide by 4 into one decimal, we will get 4 5s are 20, then 5.5 you will get the point 5.5. So when I have taken value of x 5, so I will get the y value 5.5. Now I will try with one negative value 5.5. Now y is equal to what? Now y is equal to 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7 upon 4. So one negative value we will try. 3 1s are 3, so minus 3. X value minus 1. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, minus 3 plus 7 upon 4. Y is equal to 7 minus 3, you will get 4 upon 4. Y is equal to 1. So when I have taken y value minus 1, I get the x value. When I have taken x value minus 1, I get the y value 1. Okay, minus 1 and 1. So we have plot all these 4 points. Now draw the line. Okay. So after plotting the point 1 and 2.5, x value 1 and y value 2.5. So this is 2 and this is 3, and the mid value is 2.5 of the graph. See, this is 2 and this is 3. So above 2.5 then 3. So now you can plot the point here. So this is your point. After plotting the point, we'll write the point later. First we'll draw the line. 3 and 4. X value 3, y value 4. Okay. X value 5, x value 5, y value 5.5. This value see 5 and 6. So in mid you will get 5.5. Okay. So this is 1 centimeter and this half centimeter will get 5.5 in your graph. So we have plotted the point. 1 point, x value minus 1, y value plus 1. Okay. So x value minus 1, y value plus 1. So we'll arrange all the 4 points first. We'll draw the line. We'll draw both lines. Then we'll write the points later. So it is easy for you also, because it you can write the point later. You'll get this exact space where to write the point. So we'll write the points later. Now see this equation: 5x minus 2y. So 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now I'll make the equation with y, because y is even number. It is easy for me and you also. Plus minus 2y will go there, will come plus 2y. 5x as it is, 2 will go into denominator, y is equal to y. Therefore y is equal to 5x upon 2. Now just put the value of x, you will get the value of y. So I will take value 1 or I will take value 2, because after 2 it is exactly divisible by 2. So y is equal to 5 2s are 10 upon 2, 5 2 1s are 2, 5 are. So when I have taken x value 2, I get the y value 5, 2 and 5. Now y is equal to again 5x upon 2 is equal to 5 into x value, take minus 2 upon 2. So y is equal to 5 2s are 10, minus 10 upon 2. So 2 1s are 2, 5 are minus 5. So when x value minus 2, you get y value minus, x value minus 2, you get y value minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5. Then again y is equal to 5x upon 2. So now take x value 0. So 5 into 0 upon 2. 5 zeros are 0 means 0 upon 2 means 0. If above 0, then no value of denominator. So y is equal to 0. When I have taken x value 0, so I get the y value 0. 0 and 0. Now again y is equal to 5x upon 2. Now take the value. You can take 1 also. 5 into 1 upon 2. Y is equal to 5 1s are 5 upon 2. 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. That means 2.5. So when I am taking x value 1, I get the value y 2.5. One decimal is okay. 1 and 2.5. Now plot the point 2 and 5. X value 2, y value 5. So this is the point. X value minus 2, here minus 2, and y value minus 5. Here the point will come. Okay, x value minus 2, y value minus 5. 0 and 0. So center is the point 0 and 0. So 0, 0, x value 0, y value 0. So this is the center point. Now x value 1 and y value 2.5. So this is the point. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now arrange all these 4 points. 1 2 3 and 4. After arranging, draw the line. So I have not written the point number because now it is simple. You have a space, you can write where you want to write the point, so it will not mix up with the lines and all. So that's why I have not written the point before. So now it is easy, I can write it now. So I will take first this line. So x value 5, y value 5.5. Now x value 5 and y value 5.5. Now this x value 3 and y value 4. First 3 then 4. Then this point x value 1 and y value 2.5, and this point x value minus 1, y value plus 1, x value minus 1, y value plus 1. So I have written this point. So that's why I am writing the point later. First just plot the point, draw the line, and then write after the point, because you'll get the space where to write, so it will not mix up with the lines. Now this point x value 2, y value 5. Now this point we have written this point 0 0. So this point is 0 0, and this point x value minus 2, y value minus 5. So we have drawn the line, we get this point of intersection. Now we are writing the equation. First this line. So this line having equation 3x. So this line having equation 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7, and this line having equation 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, so point of intersection we'll write here. Point of intersection is x value 1, y value 2.5. Therefore solution is 1 and 2.5. Solution is x value. So this is our intersection point, x value 1 and y value 2.5. So now come to sum number 6. So in this also equation having variables having numbers, so x having even numbers. So I will draw the equation with variable x. You can draw by any of the equation, means you can draw the equation with y also. So whichever simple you do with that. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now 2x as it is, minus 3y will come here, plus 3y and plus 4 right hand side only. So no value, 4 only. Therefore now x is equal to 3y plus 4 upon 2. Now I take the value of y, so I will get the value of x. So now if I take the value y 2, 3 to the 6 plus 4, 10, 10 divided by 2, okay fine, 4. So now I am taking y value 2 upon 2. So first write the value 2, then solve it. 3 to the 6 plus, first multiply, then plus 4 upon 2, x is equal to 10 upon 2, x is equal to 5. So 5 and 2. Again x is equal to what? 3y plus 4 upon 2. Then write the value 4. Take a value 4. The y value 4 upon 2. So 3 4 the 12 plus 4 16. 16 divided by 2 you will get 8. 8 I have drawn in this graph. So 3 4 the 12 plus 4 upon 2, x is equal to 16 upon 2, x is equal to 8. So when I have taken y value 4, so first here I have taken what? y value 2, I get the value 5. Now 4, y value 4, x value 8, 8 and 4. Okay, so x value 8 and y value 4. Again x is equal to 3y plus 4 upon 2. Now take negative value or 0, you can take 0 also. First we will take 0. Y value 0 plus 4 upon 2. 3 zeros are 0. X is equal to 4 upon 2. X is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. So y value 0, then x value 2 after solving 2 and 0. Now again x is equal to 3y plus 4 upon 2. Take negative value. Y value minus 2 plus 4 upon 2. Here I am continuing it. 3 2s are 6. X is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2. X is equal to minus 2 upon 2. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. X is equal to minus 1. So when I am taking y value minus 2, I am getting x value minus 1. Okay, minus 1 and minus 2. Now this equation 4 value, we get this 4 value. Now come to this 3y minus x is equal to 4. So see, in this x having number 1, so it is simple to solve the equation with x. So 3y, 4 will come to the left hand side, so minus 4 and minus x will go there, will become plus x. Now therefore what, x is equal to 3y minus 4. Now just put the value of y, you will get the value of x. Therefore x is equal to 3 ones are 3. So it is possible, just see the possible number to plot that you can plot on the graph. Take the small number if possible. So x is equal to 3 ones are 3 minus 4, x is equal to minus 1. So when I am taking y value 1, I am getting x value minus 1, minus 1 and 1. So after plotting all this, finding all this point, we'll draw the line. Okay, later. So now again x is equal to 3y minus 4, x is equal to take 2y value 2, 3 2s are 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 2. So when y value 2, y value 2, x value also 2, y value 2, then x value also 2, y value 2, you get x value also 2. Now x is equal to again 3y minus 4, take 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 4 give you 5, so it's okay with 3. So 3 3s are 9 minus 4, x is equal to 5. So when I am taking y value 3, I am getting x value, y value 3, I am getting x value 5. Plot 5 and 3. Again one negative value, will see with one negative value possible. So minus 1. So if I take y value minus 1, minus 3 and minus 4 can be plot. So y value minus 1. So again 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1 and minus 4, 3 ones are 3, plus 3 minus 3 multiply minus 3 minus 4, x is equal to minus 7. Okay, so x is equal to minus 7. You get the value minus x. Oh, minus 7 is here, so we can't take this value because you can take in your textbook, because there is no space over here. So we'll take another number. We'll take 0. 0 is, so y is equal to 0. Now I am changing it. You can take in your textbook, because minus 7 is not possible. See this up, we have written till minus 6 x value. So you can do in your text, in your graph paper. So 3 zeros are 0. That means how much? X is equal to y value 0, y value 0, then x value 3 zeros are 0, then minus 4. So x value minus 4. So minus 4 or 0. Now I have find out all the points of both the equation. Now first we'll plot the points, draw the line. Now find 2. X value 5, y value 2. Okay. X value 8, y value 4. This point. X value 2, y value 0. So this point will directly come on x axis. If y is 0, 2 and 0. This point. 1, 2, 3. And x value minus 1, y value minus 2. Okay. So this point. So now draw the line. So I have drawn this line. Later on we'll arrange it. Now x minus 1 and y plus 1. X minus 1, y plus 1. So this point. X value 2, y value 2. X value 2, y value 2. This point. X value 5, y value 3. This point. X value minus 4. So x value minus 4 direct on this point. So now arrange this 4 point. So we are arranging this 4 point. After arranging this 4 point, extend this line. So after extending this line will meet this line at. So they intersect at this point 8 and 4. So now first I'll write all the points first. Put the arrow both the side. Don't forget it. So now this line, first we have drawn this line, so we'll plot all this point. X value 8 and y value 4. Okay. This point x value 5 and y value 2. For this point direct on x axis. Okay. So x value 2 and y value 0. And this point x value minus 1 and minus 2. So I have drawn this line and now I am writing the point. So this point x value on direct x axis minus 4, y value 0. This point x value minus 1, y value plus 1. This point x value 2, y value be 2. Now at this point x value 5 and y value 3. X value 5, y value 3. This point x value 8 and y value 4. We have written already. So this lines having a point of intersection 8 and 4. Point of intersection is 8, x value 8 and y value 4. Okay, x value 8, y value 4. Therefore solution is 8 and 4. So we have done all these 6 sum. This how we solve the linear equation in 2 variables by graphical method. So there are 3 methods: simultaneous substitution method first, then second graphical method, and third Cramer's rule. So we have done this. If you get benefit from this or you understand this, just please like, share and subscribe my channel National Classes. Okay, thank you. Now we have done this, so point of intersection and all. Okay, fine.